How we doing? Welcome back to another episode of I Didn't Put My Microphones On. Welcome back to Panic Eats. Today we're going to make garlic parmesan wings. Now, you can see this video over here of the garlic parmesan buffalo wings, but if you want to skip the heat, today I got the video for you. To get into it, we're going to do a little bit of prep work. You're going to want to take, I don't know, 4 cloves of garlic. These have already been peeled and halved and removed of the green part to the best of my abilities. And we're gonna wanna get these down to size. Once that garlic's broken down, grab a saucepan, transfer it to the saucepan. Take about a stick of butter, add that to the saucepan. Then we're gonna take some parsley and chop that down real nice. Once that parsley's broken down, take a majority of it and stick it in with your butter. Next, you're gonna wanna take your saucepan, stick it over medium heat and melt that butter down. Set the rest of the parsley aside in a container to use at the end of the wing making. Once your board's cleared, we're gonna take our wings. We got about a dozen wings here. And you're gonna wanna take about 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of paprika, and season your wings with that. Grab some tongs and mix them up. And then we're gonna take about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil and drizzle that over our wings. Once the seasoning is all over the wings and the oil has been incorporated as well, we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once all that's mixed together, grab your air fryer basket and put the wings in the basket. So we got the wings in there, skin side up. We're gonna cook them for about 20 minutes and check them halfway through. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees and let that thing rip. So we got our wings 10 minutes in, skin side up, right? They're getting some good brown, some good colorization going. We're gonna flip them around. You just wanna make sure that there's even distribution of the heat and that everything is doing good. So check them, toss a couple of them around. You got 10 more minutes. Stick them back in the air fryer. 10 to 8 minutes, and you'll be good. Our wings have about 1 more minute. You can really hear this air fryer going. We have our melted butter with the garlic and the Parmesan. You can use unsalted or salted butter, that's up to you. We've let this chill on the stovetop, super low heat, just so that it doesn't re-solidify. And we're gonna take a couple tablespoons of grated Parmesan. We're gonna mix that in with the butter. You kind of get, it's gonna thicken up that butter. It's gonna get it a nice consistency. So our wings are done. We're gonna take a couple spritz of salt. We used unsalted butter. I'm gonna salt it. We're gonna mix that in. Our wings just finished, right? We're gonna set aside our sauce. We're gonna grab our bowl that we cleaned. Tongs are falling apart. Tongs have fell apart. So we got some new tongs. We got our wings here. Take a look at those, right? Perfectly dark golden brown. We're gonna stick them in the bowl. And you have a nice batch of wings going on there, right? Then you're gonna take your garlic butter mixture with the Parmesan. And you're gonna spoon about half of it, trying to get a lot of the chunks, you know? And then you're gonna wanna just toss those wings in that mixture, which will kind of adhere to the wings with the cornstarch layer and everything will get real nice and flavorified. Right, so we got those mixing. If you feel like you want to use more of that butter, just add, right? And just mix those wings up. Next, we got our plate. We're gonna put out these wings. So I grated up some fresh block of Parmesan, and we're just gonna sprinkle that on top for the presentation, right? And then the rest of that parsley. And you got yourself some certified wings right here. If this is your first time making it to the channel, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to see more videos from yours truly, and we'll see you next time.